Hi guys, it's me iNovemberain and welcome back into my channel. So it's been a long time that I did my sit down video, or I make my Smile Direct Club first impression kit, because this is what arrived the other day, and ta-da! I got a whole box of eyeliners in here. This one in here has 7 months of supply. So before I start, I am just gonna show you the 3D scan that they sent me. That's gonna be my teeth after I finish my 7 months of treatment. So that is that's how it looks like. So if you notice that I am having a lisp right now because I have my eyeliners on, and it's hard for me to pronounce the letter S, like F and letter R. Sometimes it's hard to pronounce, especially when you're using a word with S and R. So I am gonna work out with that, and so this is it, guys. And if you wanna have a discount, a $150 coupon or off for your eyeliner, please check the description down below, and also for my first impression. So I've been using this now for the past 36 hours, and I feel a little bit of pain, and it's not that much, but a pain. So without further ado, we are gonna start to opening the box. Actually, I already opened this, but I just want to show it to you guys. So this is the box look like. Yes, guys. So this one, this one right here is the bright on. You're gonna use this for your teeth to make your teeth whiter, and this one right here is your mouth stretcher. And this one right here is the box where you put your eyeliners when you're not using it. So you're not allowed to use any paper towel or whatsoever, or any cloth for your eyeliners. You only have to use this box. And also this one is the lip balm. And over here, I dropped something. And over here is the instruction. I know we don't read instruction though. We read instruction on the internet. So, and they give me this with my name on it, and your 7-month smile journey starts now. We are so excited to help you on your way to getting a smile you'd love. So your state certified doctor and dental team will be with you every step of the way, overseeing your new smile. So this is the instruction. This is the welcome note. So yep. And on here they give you a little note. It's so cute, right? They give you a little note. Life is a beautiful thing, and there's so much to smile about. Marilyn Monroe. So I'm gonna keep this because it's a nice quote from Marilyn Monroe. So this one right here, guys, is you use this to remove your eyeliners, and I haven't used this because it's hard for me to use. I need to figure it out how to use this because it's kind of hard though. So in the next box in here, this is my supply in here, guys. This is 7 months of supply in here. The reason why I'm using gloves right now because I want to remove my eyeliners, and I show it to you guys. So this is all the 7 months of supply. So as you can see, and it has your name on it, so you cannot mix that up. So first, I want to tell you that you remove the thing like this. Hold on a minute. Let's put that. You remove your eyeliners. I should have like table over here, right? So remove your eyeliners in here. So this is my second tray of the month. So there is tray of the week. So one tray of the week, it only allows you to wear the eyeliner for 1 week. So I am using my first one, and I got this in here. It has my name on it, and I'm gonna cover it. So I save this and put it on the side. And also, before I forgot, I have the chewies. And I use the chewies when you first time to put your eyeliners. You need the chewies because your eyeliner might not like stick to the top or to the bottom, so you need to chew this thing. It's open, but I did not throw this away yet because I think I can reuse this for my next tray. So we were gonna talk this because this is really important, guys, and you don't want to be like jump onto this because you will feel a lot of pain. So what I mean about pain, it is pain. It is painful because I already feel the pain. So you need to keep that in mind. So I am gonna remove the top of my eyeliner because I don't want to remove the bottom. It's here, guys. So if you notice some of my videos when I talk, you can really see the spacing of my teeth, and I don't have the time to explain that to you guys before because I make the first video and I explain everything, what's the problem with my teeth. So if you want to check that out, it's in the description down below. See, I'm having leaves right now. So I am gonna remove this at the top, and the bottom I don't want to remove it for you guys because it is really painful and it's really hard to remove, and I don't want to be on a lot of pain because every time you remove it is painful. And I know most of the people who use this, it is painful. So I am only gonna remove the top because the top, it is really easy to snap on. So here is, guys, and I don't want my hands to be on my teeth though. So I am just gonna wash this for a second for you guys, and I'll come back in a bit to wash this. I'm only having a problem when this one is on because, you know, when I talk, I'm having a lift when I talk when this on because there's no space that for my word to come out properly. So it's kind of hard though. It's kind of hard. So, and I want to show you that you have to clean this every time you remove. You have to wash it with water, like running water, or you have to put it in a glass of water and soak this, and you need to use a brush. You need 2 brushes, guys. So since I am using this and my gums, it becomes so sensitive, it's painful, so I have 2 toothbrushes. So I use this kid toothbrush because it has a very soft bristles, and this one is for brushing my teeth and this one is for brushing my eyeliners. So I found a very soft toothbrush yesterday at Walmart, but it's kind of expensive, but this one is only $1.98 and it's 4 of them. So I am gonna use this for the next 6 months no, I mean 7 months, using a kids toothbrush because you guys, you really need to brush every time you eat food. So that's kind of a bummer because, you know, every time you need to drink coffee, I love coffee, and I need to remove this when I need to drink coffee. You're only allowed to drink with your eyeliners on is the water. So you don't eat with your eyeliners, you don't drink coffee with your eyeliners, you don't drink soda with your eyeliners. So it's hard, it's really hard because you have to take it out, you have to brush your teeth. So that's why you really need a super soft bristled toothbrush because it's gonna hurt you. It is gonna hurt you, believe me, guys. So I'm gonna put this back on because I am not eating right now, and I just want to tell you that inside of the eyeliner, it is like, it's kind of rough inside in there in order for the eyeliners to hold into your teeth. So this is how it look like. So I have my bottom on, and I am not gonna remove this for you guys because it's really painful and I don't want to get in pain. So for the pass, let me just put this on. Yeah, for the top, it is really easy to put it on. So for the past 36 hours, I only feel a little bit of pain, but you can tolerate the pain. No pain, no gain. So it's not so bad after all. And I maybe for the next tray or for the next week, I will feel a lot of pain because that time your aligners is a little bit tighter, and it's like it will start your teeth to move into place, but it time to time. So it's I don't know, for the past week it's not so, for the past 36 hours it's not painful. You can tolerate the pain, but I am expecting the pain also. So I expect the pain that I need to take a pain reliever. So I am already ready with that. And yeah, I think that's all for today, guys, because I will give you an update on Friday, because I need to change this tray next Friday, and I need to remove this. Yeah, I want to give you an update because as you can see right here, my teeth is already start to move. You know, I can feel it because I can see it right here. The space is like closing a little bit, but not that much because it's only been 36 hours. So I think that's all for today. No, one thing. So when you put this on, you know, your saliva is gonna go into your aligners because there's no holes over here, so the saliva was stuck into your aligners inside. And I suggest that you need to remove the aligners time to time for you to clean, because if you don't clean, guys, even if like few hours of not cleaning your aligners, it's like it's already gagged up, and you don't want to be like seeing your teeth in front of other people or in front of the mirror that you have this white gagged up over here. It builds up, guys, so you need to remove time to time to wash, even if you don't eat. Okay, the most annoying part is when you eat, you have to remove and brush your teeth, so you don't want that's why you need very soft toothbrush. The bristle of your toothbrush, it has to be soft, super soft. So for the past 30 years of my life, I've been using a hard toothbrush, so it's my first time to use a kiddie toothbrush, and I fell, so I need to pick that up. So yeah, and what else? Yeah, and also one thing that I want to add on, when you wake up in the morning, it's like it's because it's tightened in the morning, and when you remove it, there's a lot of saliva inside, and it's really gross, and I don't want to gross you up, guys, but I'm telling you, it's it is a lot of job. And you need, when you wake up, you need, first thing you need to do is to clean up your aligners and soak with water or run with water, running water, clean with running water, and you need to gargle in the morning, which is you know, when you have this, guys, you were gonna be super duper hygienic person. Oh my god, I mean, like, I don't brush my teeth like 5 times a day. This is insane. Like, brushing your teeth 5 times a day, or if you eat, like, if you eat snacks, breakfast, lunch, dinner, snacks, and you want to drink some coffee, it's like more than 5 brushing your teeth, and it's really annoying. So you ended up like I don't want to eat right now because I don't want to remove your teeth. So if you are traveling, I suggest that you need to bring this with you, and also you need to get ready. You have to have this travel size toothpaste, travel size gargles, and also with your eyeliner box, because you're not allowed to put it into a napkin or a paper towel. It's not allowed. So yeah, I think that's it, guys, and I'm gonna give you an update for my whole week of process, and I hope and next time we were gonna talk about the cost. Okay, so thank you for watching, and if you are having a teeth problem, and I want to remind this to all of you guys, that especially to my kababayans that from Philippines that will migrate here in the United States, I want you to know that having a dental issue in here, it's super duper expensive. It's way expensive than the Philippines. So if you have a problem with your teeth before you come here, fix it. That's the only thing I could advise with you guys. Fix it, get the brace, because brace in the Philippines is only cost $1,000. Here it's like your lifetime savings. So if you have the money to spend, why not? It's up to you. I'm telling you, if you have a problem, fix it in the Philippines, not here, because you will cost a lot of money. You will cost a lot of money here for fixing your teeth. So I pay my price. I didn't listen to my dentist before. So here you go. So next time we were gonna talk about the cost of the eyeliners. So, and the difference between the Invisalign and the Smile Direct class. So I think that's all for today, and I don't want this video to be long. And thank you so much for watching. And once again, this is iNovemberain, ang nag-iiwan sa inyo na isang kasabihang manatiling maganda sa kabila ng kahirapan. And I thank you. Bye.